As you all know that 9,99,999 is the greatest six-digit number. When we add 1 to it, it becomes 10 lakh. And 10 lakh is a 7-digit number. And in 10 lakh, we have 6 zeros. 10 lakh is the smallest 7-digit number. It is read as 10 lakh. So after lakh, the new place which is added is 10 lakh. So the new place added is 10 lakh, which is in the lakhs period. In ones period, we have ones, tens, hundred. In thousand period, we have thousand, 10,000. And in the lakh period, we have lakh, and the new place is 10 lakh. And 10 lakh is a 7-digit number. Reading of 7-digit number and expanded form. As we all know that it is in the ones period, it is in the thousand period, and it is in the lakh period. So we will read out together. 4, 6, 46 lakh. 7, 8 is in the period of thousand, so 78,000. 9 is on hundred place, so 900. And 04 will be read out as 4 only. As in 10 lakh, we have 6 zeros, so it's 40 lakh. 6 in the lakh place, so 6 lakh. 7 on the 10,000 place, so 70,000. 8 on the 1,000 place, so 8,000. 9 on the 100 place, 900. 10's place is 0 and 1's place is 4. Exercise 1. Write the number name and expanded form. This is ones period, thousand period, and lakh period. So 2, 3 is in the lakh period. So it's 23 lakh. 8, 9 is in the thousand period. So 89,000. And single 9 is there. So only 9. Expanded form 20 lakh plus 3 lakh plus 80,000 plus 9,000 and plus 9. If we want, we can put plus 0 and plus 9. Write the number and the expanded form. When the number name is given to us, we need to write the number of it. And same we will follow the period wise. Ones period, thousand period, and lakh period. So the lakh place is given 5050. We will write 50. 5 will be in the 10 lakh place and 0 will be in the lakh place. 66,000. 66. 6 will be on 10,000 place and 6 on 1,000 place. 100 place is 9. So 9 will be on 100. And 10. 1 0. So 1 will be on the 10th place and 0 will be on the 1st place. So 50 lakh plus lakh place is 0. 60,000 plus 6,000 plus 900 plus 10 plus 0. Now we are going to read 8-digit number. As we all are aware that 99,99,999 is the greatest 7-digit number. When we add 1 to it, it becomes 1 crore. And 1 crore is 8-digit number. So the greatest 7-digit number plus 1 will give us 1 crore. So the new place after 10 lakh is crore, and crore will be the period of it. So the new place added is crore. It will be in the crores period. Reading of 8-digit number and expanded form of it. This is ones period, thousand period, lakh period, and crore period. So it's 5 crore, 21 lakh, 34,678. In crore we have 7 zeros, but it is a 8-digit number. So 5 crore plus 20 lakh plus 1 lakh plus 30,000 plus 4,000 plus 600 plus 70 plus 8. Exercise 2. Write the number name and the expanded form of the given number. 8 is on the crores period, so 8 crore. 76 in the lakh period, 76 lakh. 89 is in the thousand period, 89,000. 1 in the hundred place, 100, and 2 9 will be read out together, 29. So 8 crore plus 70 lakh plus 6 lakh plus 80,000 plus 9,000 plus 100 plus 20 plus 9. Write the numbers and the expanded form. We have to write the number when the number name is given to us. 6 crore. So the value of crore is 6. So we will write 6. 55 lakh. So it will come in the lakh period. 55. 1 5 in the 10 lakh place. Another 5 in the lakh place. 60,000. So 6 0 60. 800. So 800. 8. As there is no tens place, so it will be 0 and single 8 will come in the ones place. So 6 crore, 50 lakh, 5 lakh, 60,000, 800 and 8. Comparing numbers. How to compare the numbers? The number with more digits is always greater. Always for the comparison, we first look at the number of digits. The number with more digits will always be greater. If the number of digits is the same, then we have to compare the leftmost digits. For example, it's 2 crore 34 lakh 61,424. It's 2 crore 34 lakh 90,326. Now we can see the crore place is same. 10 lakh place is also same. Lakh place is also same. If we look at the 10,000 place, here it's 6 and here it's 9. So we can say that 9 is greater than 6. So it means this value is the greater. Before and after. You can get the number just before a large number by subtracting 1 from it. So the number just before another number is called its predecessor, means subtracting 1 from the number. You can get the number just after a large number by adding 1 to it. So the number just after another number is called its successor. Successor means adding 1 to the number. Compare the numbers. As we can see the A part, there are 7 digits and here it is 8. So obviously this number is greater. Here if we look, the crore place is same, 10 lakh place is same, lakh place is same. If we look at the difference, here it is 6 and here it is 8. So we can say that which value is greater. Question number 2. We have to write the number before. Before means subtracting 1 from the number. So the number is 34,63,482. If we will just subtract 1 from the number, we will get 34,63,481. Write the number after. If we want to write the number after, we need to add 1. So if I'll add 1, this 5 will become 6. So it will be 96,82,546. Arrange in ascending order. We have to look at the number of digits. This is 7-digit number. This is also 7-digit number. This is 8-digit number. And this is 6-digit number. Obviously, the 6-digit number is the smaller one. And as we all are aware that ascending means smaller to bigger. So first 6-digit number will come. Now we will compare the 7-digit number. Here 1 is on the 10 lakh place, and here we can see 8 on the 10 lakh place. So obviously this value is smaller. So 18 lakh 18,745. Then 81 lakh 18,745. And in the last, the bigger number will come, that is of 8 digits. So it's 1 crore 18 lakh 81,745. We have to make the smallest and the greatest 7-digit numbers without repeating the digits. So while writing the greatest number, we always write the greater number first. So here we can see 9, then we can say 6, then we can say 5, then 4, then 3, then 2, and then 1. So we need to start from the greater number. And while writing the smaller number, we need to write the smallest number first. So 1, then 2, then 3, then 4, then 5, then 6, and then 9. So smallest to greatest, and here we need to move greatest to smallest. International place value system. As we did the Indian system earlier, now we are going to do the international place value system. The only difference will come here. It's that we will have 3 places in each period. First period is same ones, tens, hundreds. Then in the Indian system we learned that in the thousand period only 1,000 and 10,000 was there. But in international system we have 100,000 also. In Indian we were having the lakh, but here we have million. So it's million, 10 million, and 100 million. Write these numbers in figures and words in the Indian and international system. Now, as we all know that in Indian system we have ones, tens, and hundred in ones period, thousand, 10,000 in thousand period, and then we have lakh. But in international system, after 10,000 we have 100,000. So we will make different charts for both of them, and then we will write the number name. So 3 is on the lakh place, 3 lakh 69,512. In international system, we have 3 places in each period. So we will put commas as per that also, and we will read out as per that. So it's 369,512. We have to write the following 2011 census state populations in figure: 27,743,338. As we all know that this is ones period, this is thousand period, and this is million period. In international system we have ones period, thousand period, and million. So it's 27 million. So in million period 27 will come. Then thousand period. In thousand period we have 743,000. So 7 will be on 100 and 43,000. Then 338. So it's 300 on 100 place, and 38 will be on tens and ones place. 33 million. So million place will come here, 33. Then it's 406,000. This is thousand period. So 4 on 100 place, and it's 6,000. There is no 10,000 place, so it will be 0. It will be 06. It's 406,000. And there is no 100 place given. So 100 place is 0 and it's 61. Exercise 4. Give the place value of the digit in red in both the Indian and international system. So we will make the chart value of Indian and international. As 3 here is on the lakh place, so we can write either 3 lakhs or 3 lakhs. International system 3. As in Indian, it will be lakh, but in international, it will be 100,000. So it will be 300,000. Rounding numbers, rounding to the nearest 10. Whenever we need to round the number to the nearest 10, we need to find the multiple of 10 the number is closest to. Rounding the number to the nearest 100, we need to find the multiple of 100 the number is closest to. Rounding to the nearest 1000, we need to find the multiples of 1000 the number is closest to. For example, round to the nearest 10. So we can see that it's 63. So 63 will lie in between 60 and 70. But 63 is more near to 60. So the rounding number will be 260. And the another way is to look at the ones place. If the ones place is more than 5, then the number will be rounded down. So 263 is rounded to 260. Rounding to the nearest 100. For 100, we need to look at the tens place. As 8 is greater than 5, so this 6 will become 7. And as 687 will come between 600 and 700. And 687 is more closest to 700. Rounding to the nearest 1000. For rounding to the nearest 1000, we have to look at the multiples of 1000. So 6592 will come in between 6000 and 7000. So 6592 is more closest to 7000. And the other way is to look at the 100 place. 5 is equal to 5. So we can say that 6 will become 7. The number on the 1000 place will be rounded up. Roman numerals. There are 7 basic symbols in Roman numerals. There is no symbol of 0 in the Roman numerals. I, the Hindu Arabic is 1. For V, it is 5. For X, it is 10. For L, it is 50. For C, it is 100. For D, it is 500. And for M, it is 1000. Rules for writing or reading Roman numerals. The Roman digits I and X are repeated up to 3 times in succession to form the numbers. For example, 1I means 1, 2I means 2, 3I means 3. We cannot repeat more than 3 times. 1x means 10, 2x means 20, and 3x means 30. So only I and X can be repeated up to 3 times. Rule 2. When a digit of a lower value is written to the right or after a digit of higher value, the values of all the digits are added. For example, V and I. So the lower digit is written to the right of the number. So this will become 5 and I means 1. So 5 plus 1, 6. When a digit of lower value is written to the left or before a digit of higher value, then the value of the lower digit is subtracted from the value of the digit of higher value. Like here we can see it's IV. So the smaller number is written to the left of the higher number. So it will be subtracted. So 5 minus 1. So IV means 4. Write the Hindu Arabic numerals for. As we can see X, X and X. That means 30. And 1X So here it applies rule number 3. When the lower number is before the higher one, we have to subtract. So 10 minus 1 will give us 9. So 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 9 is 39. Another example, the lowest value is to the right of the higher value. So we will add. That is the rule number 2. So L means 50, X means 10. So 50 plus 10 is 60. Exercise 6. Question number 2. Write the Roman numerals for. Now we need to write the Roman numerals when the Hindu Arabic is given to us. It's 45. It means 40 plus 5. How can we get 40? When we subtract 10 from 50. X means 10 and L means 50. When we write the lower value just to the left of the higher value, it means subtraction. So 40 means XL and 5 means V. It's 63. 63 means 60 plus 3. As there is no symbol for 60, so we can separate 60 as 50 plus 10, the expanded form of, or we can write the 60 is 50 plus 10, so 50 plus 10. 50 means L, 10 means X, and 3 means 3 times I. Thank you.